Welcome back guys to Brady Pat RC. Just another little unboxing and a little trial video today, shouldn't take too long. Went out today to purchase my son some new football boots or soccer boots, wherever you are in the world, what you want to call them, and couldn't resist going into the toy store, not a hobby store, toy store, and found this articulated hauler, dump truck, whatever you guys call them. So it looks like a Volvo A40G. Doesn't look too bad. Made by a company called Double E. Nice details on the front there. Looks like we've got a PlayStation type controller in there. For ages 6+, but aren't we all kids at heart? Radio control, 2.4 gigahertz, 126 scale, light effects and sound effects. That'll be interesting. So I'm sure we can modify this some way or another. So let's spin the box round. What we got on the back then? Up and down carriage, it reckons. Omnidirection. Another good shot there. There's a picture of the controller. Looks pretty straightforward to me, but we'll find out. Another quick spin of the box. Just another slight picture of the up and down carriage simulation. And on the other end we have some images of their other products they do, which looks interesting. So we've got excavators, loading shovel, concrete cement lorry, tipper truck, mobile crane. That looks interesting. And a tower crane. That doesn't look too bad. However, this is for 126 scale, so could be another topic or area that we will get into. So we've got the forklift there. And this one is particularly interesting for me in the RC construction stuff. The single drum front roller compactor. That looks quite cool. That looks very interesting indeed, that one. Quite interested in that. But nevertheless, let's get this new purchase out of the box. So what do we get in the box then? We've got the user manual, basic controls there, what batteries go where. Just a single piece of paper for the instructions, pretty simple. So we've got the basic operation and functions, tells you exactly what to do on the controller, joypad, whatever we want to call that, and just some basic information there, recharging, a little bit of safety information there. Okay, that's about it for that. That's pretty cool. Comes with a USB charger and a LJ Leon 600 milliamp 3.7 volt chargeable battery, which is pretty small. So if I put my mobile phone case right there, which is your average mobile phone case, that's the size of the battery. So it tells you how small it is for the 1/26 scale. Also, we now have the controller itself. Seems pretty flimsy, not as strong as say a PlayStation 1 or anything like that, but got various buttons here. Don't know if these actually do anything, but say left and right. And what else we got? Horn, bits and bobs, tipper, up and down, battery compartment for your AA batteries. We'll see how we go with that. That doesn't look too bad. Most importantly, we have the truck itself, the Volvo A40G. Pretty toy grade, to be fair. Very hard rubber tyres, which is not a problem because I'm sure we can modify those. If I just bring down one of my 1/16 scale vehicles for you to see the tyre sizes, so you can see those right there. Maybe we'll just go for 1/26 and see. I'm sure we can adapt stuff on this. As we do with all our RCs, we like to get the best performance out of them. But for £29.99 British pounds from Smyths Toy Store in the UK, I'll be leaving a link for that in the comments section below. I don't think it's a bad purchase. You can obviously somehow try and find a little figure in there that we can glue in, sit in there as a driver. Not too bad. We do have some functional mirrors there on both sides. No actual mirrors on them, however we can sort something out for that. Maybe some aluminium foil tape or kitchen foil, cut little squares, glue them on, which would make that look quite good. Let's spin that round. Yeah, not so bad. Maybe we one day have a look at, open her up at the electronics. It's got front lights, it says it's got lights. Can decal it up, modify as we want. Pretty good. Some safety rails on there for the driver to get in and out. We'll have to see how well the plastic components do on that, and then we finally open it up. We'll see if there's anything metal in there. If not, we'll see what's out there to improve that. We'll have to take it for a test and just see how capable the loads are on that, and let's get the batteries in it and let's get it out and have a quick play with it and see how we go. Okay, so here we go. I have while the battery's on charge, it says 2 to 3 hours for the charging, so I've just plugged in a 700 milliamp 6-volt battery just to get us going, and I'll just slot that underneath there. So turning on the controller, quite loud. I don't know what that button did, but quite fast, as you can see. Well, that was quite loud. Looks quite fast. We'll get it outside and just see if we can slow that up slightly. We'll only operate with the sound effects on, so apologies for that in the video there. As soon as the battery's charged, we'll get her outside, see what she can do, and just have a little bit of fun with it while we come up with a plan how we're going to fit this vehicle in with the rest of our construction vehicles. Here we go for our first test drive of the Volvo articulated dump truck, hauler, whatever you want to call it. We are going to have at Brady Pat RC today our 6-year-old driver, my daughter Heidi. We'll just show her feet. Say hi, Heidi.
Hi.
There we go. We can't show her in full due to child protection laws. However, let's get this test underway. Switch this baby on. Press and hold it.
Where?
Let me do it. That one. That's it. That's it there. Okay. Nice sound effects. Sounds pretty cool on the 126. It's got a test button on there, so I'll show you this test button. Let's see if this test button works on the controller. Are we ready? So that's the test button. So we obviously find some room for yourself so it doesn't crash. So it shows you it goes forwards, backwards, left, right, tips up and tips down. So let's switch her back on and take it away, Heidi. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Stuck a little bit. Keep coming all the way. Okay, we're going to fill her with some sand and we're just going to see what the tipper motion is like. There we go. That'll do us for now, I think. Tip her up then. You ready? Tip her up. Tip her down. Very cool. Let's do one more. Okay. Drive her forward a little bit. Tip her back up. Drive her forward a little bit. That's it. Lower her down. There we go. So there we have the little first test run by Heidi. Not too bad, a little driver there. She's only 6 years old, so
yep.
Fair play to her. The Volvo A40G. Looks to work pretty good. Good sound effects. Got some nice lights on it. Tips well. Can't wait to get this up and running now with the use of our excavator. We see what type of different materials it can be capable of tipping and travelling with. Obviously we might look at swapping the wheels out at some point, but generally impressed for £29.99 from a toy store. Obviously we'll be looking to upgrade electronics and bits and bobs on that, but we won't do that as we till something goes on it, but we'll take some time one day to open her up and have a look to see what we're dealing with. But I'm sure we're going to have some fun in our yard. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Hope you liked the video. Say bye, Heidi.
Bye bye, fans.
There you go. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend.